Hello everyone, it's me, Fox. Today I'm going to unplug this phone's camera while it's working, and I will replug it while it's working. So let's start. So guys, I had a battery over there, and I have to plug that charger to work it, and I will use, but I cannot. But I will do it with these things. If you wondered, here is inside of the phone. Here is Samsung chip. But I have covered the battery with these things. I have this will work. Yeah, here it is. And here is the speakers of phone. It's unplugged, so that there is only this. This will work only in the callings. So we open the phone and press the menu and press to secure. Here is the menu. Here's the front cam. You can take selfies with front cam only this menu. This camera. So what you are seeing, it is working. So let's try it. Camera open it. Wait a second. Okay, I'm on the camera and it's working, and I will unplug it while it's working. I take the camera and see it first. Let's open the real camera application. I open it and you see camera failed. So I'm going to replug it. And it doesn't have any speakers because I took that speakers as attached to here. So let's test speakers too. You see, that's not working. That's coming from this here. The camera, of course, not working because I didn't attach it. So I will attach camera while it is on the camera testing. Here we go. That's the BIOS thing, you know. So it is the camera. So I will do it again. See, it works. I invented that. Let me take a photo. So, where's the button? Oh, that's so small. Everyone knows. So that's perfect fine. 3, 2, 1. I open the seal and the camera is not working. And he's here. Hello! So that's for this episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked my content, press like, or if you dislike my content, you can press dislike. And see you guys in the next video.